Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy evening all. From today onwards, we are going ahead with daily current affairs starting from May 1st onwards. So today's current affairs, first we will go ahead with the one-liners, then in detail we will discuss each one by one. So I will try to finish it off within 10 to 12 minutes time maximum. Do follow daily, so regularly without fail. So definitely it will be very much useful for you. First one-liners for May 1st, Vikas Abhaya Loan Scheme launched by KVGB. Suresh K. Reddy is India's new ambassador to Brazil. USAID announces $3 million to support India's efforts to combat COVID-19. International Labour Day or May Day observed on 1st May. AP government to release 905 crores induced to MSMEs waive power charges for April-May. To waive power charges for April-May. India installed 7.3 gigawatts of solar power in current year 2019 and secures world's third largest solar market. Nitin Gadkari launches a bank of schemes, ideas, innovation and research portals on MSMEs. Sikkim CM launches a portal to gather public feedback and suggestions on government schemes. Manulife acquired a 49% stake in Mahindra AMC for 265 crores. FIFA launches a We Will Win campaign for health workers. Former Axis Bank CEO Shikha Sharma named advisor to Google Pay India. Mr. Atsushi Ogata appointed as President, MD and CEO of HMSI. Manipuri Dr. Tangjam Dabali Singh conferred Order of Rising Sun by Japan. Chhattisgarh tops among other states in providing employment to workers under MGNREGS. Famous Hindi actor Rishi Kapoor passes away at 67. Messrs. Jacqueline Hughes takes charge as the Director General of ICRI SAT. Sania Mirza becomes the first Indian to get nominated for Fed Cup Heart Award. Legendary footballer Mr. Chunni Goswami passes away at 82. Freedom fighter Sri Hema Barali passes away at 101. Reliance increases its stake to 26.3%. So Reliance increases its stake to 26.3% in US based tech company Skytran. So we'll go detail each one by one. Whichever are important, that only I will update. So Vikas Abhaya Loan Scheme launched by KVGB. What is KVGB? Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank has launched Vikas Abhaya, a loan scheme to provide some relief to micro, small and medium enterprise. That is what MSME means. So borrowers on micro, small and medium enterprise borrowers on account of the COVID-19 pandemic in Dharwad, Karnataka. So Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank headquarters Dharwad, Karnataka. Chairman P. Gopi Krishna. Suresh K. Reddy is India's new ambassador to Brazil. Sri Suresh K. Reddy, presently Additional Secretary in the Ministry, has been appointed as the next ambassador. Of India to the Federative Republic of Brazil. Mr. Suresh K. Reddy is an IFS officer of 1991 batch. What is IFS? Indian Foreign Service. So what is IFS? Indian Foreign Service. Brazil, capital is Brasilia. President Jair Bolsonaro and the currency Brazilian real. USAID announces $3 million to support India's efforts to combat COVID-19. USAID means United States Agency for International Development. Remember the motto from the American people. So it is an independent agency of the United States federal government that is primarily responsible for administering civilian foreign aid and development assistance. Headquarters Washington DC, United States. Founder John F. Kennedy. It was founded on 3rd November 1961 and C number of employees 3,893 as on 2016. International Labour Day or May Day observed on 1st May. it is celebrated globally every year on 1st May. So in India, Labor Day is referred as Antarrashtriya Shramik Divas or Kamgar Din. Hindi में कामकर, so that is workers दिन. International Workers Memorial Day 2020 theme, it is coronavirus, because we are facing a coronavirus pandemic. So the Trade Union Health has marked it as a theme this year. Nitin Gadkari launches Bank of Schemes, Ideas, Innovation and Research portal on MSMEs, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. MSME Minister Nitin Gadkari launched a Bank of Schemes, Ideas, Innovation and Research portal. So see that one, ideas.msme.gov.in on MSMEs. The portal gives access to all schemes of union, states and union territory governments and has the provision for uploading ideas, innovations and researchers in the sector. MSME Ministry, Nitin Gadkari, Union Minister, Constituency, Nagpur, Maharashtra. So Pratap Chandra Sarangi, Minister of State. India installs a 7.3 gigawatts of solar power in current year 2019 and secures world's third largest solar market. This information given by Mercom Capital Group, CEO of Mercom Capital Group, Raj Prabhu. Sikkim CM launches a portal to gather public feedback and suggestions on government schemes. So who is Sikkim Chief Minister Ma? Prem Singh Tamang launched the portal Sikkim Government Feedback.org. So Mr. Tamang stated that inputs received from the public will be documented and screened by officials for further forwarding to respective departments for necessary action. Sikkim capital Gangtok and Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang and Governor Ganga Prasad. AP government to release 905 crores in dues to MSMEs to waive power charges for April-May. The Andhra Pradesh government has waived the minimum power charges for all micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs, for April and May in view of the lockdown. The government has also stated it will release all pending dues to MSMEs which have not been paid from 2014-15 amounting to 905 crores. So 905 crores in two tranches vocabulary meaning is installments. Andhra Pradesh Governor Bishwabhushan Harichandran, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, Capital Amaravati. Former Axis Bank CEO Shikha Sharma named advisor to Google Pay India. So during the ongoing lockdown, Google launched its nearby spot to help users in Bangalore find a local store selling essentials like groceries that are open amid the lockdown. So Google Pay India launched in India first on August 28, 2018. Previously it was known as TEZ. Release date of TEZ was August 17, 2017. MD and business head Sajid Sivanandan. Headquarters Gurugram, Haryana. Gurgaon or Gurugram. So Gurgaon is renamed as Gurugram. Mr. Atsushi Ogata appointed as a President, MD and CEO of HMSI. What is the HMSI? Honda Motorcycle Scooter India, with effect from May 1st, 2020. So he is also operating executive at Honda Motor in Japan. So he has taken charge from Minoru Kato, so who was heading the company for the last 3 years. Headquarters Gurugram, Haryana, India. So founded 20th August 1999. Parent organization Honda Motor Company. Headquarters Minato, Tokyo, Japan. Chairman Toshiaki Mikoshiba. Manipuri Dr. Tangjam Dabali Singh conferred Order of Rising Sun by Japan. Tangjam Dabali Singh from Manipur has been conferred the Order of Rising Sun by Japan government for promoting a better understanding of Japan in India and deepening ties between the two countries. So this Order of Rising Sun, it was constituted by Japanese Emperor that too, who is that man? Meiji in 1875. So remember that one. Tangjam Dabali Singh, an allopathic doctor by profession and founder of the Manipur Tourism Forum. So capital Japan, capital Tokyo, currency yen, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. Chhattisgarh tops among other states in providing employment to workers under MGNREGS. So what is the MGNREGS? Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. So around 77.85 lakh employees are engaged in different works under this scheme. Out of that, 24% from Madhya Pradesh only. And next follows Rajasthan with 10.79 lakh workers, and UP as the in third position with 9.06 lakh workers. So this act was passed in September 2005. So it is the largest social security scheme in the world, guaranteeing 100 days of unskilled manual work. So to all rural households in India, that is a Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Mrs. Jacqueline Hughes takes charge as Director General of ICRISAT, ICRISAT. What is that one? International Crops Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics. It is an international organization which conducts agriculture research for rural development. Headquarters Patancheru, Hyderabad. So see that motto, Science of Discovery to Science of Delivery. Founded in 1972. Founders Ralph Cummings, M.S. Swaminathan, C. Fred Bentley. Parent organization CGIAR, that is Consultative Group on International Agricultural Research. Headquarters Montpellier, France. Founder Forrest F. Hill. Founded in 1971. Sania Mirza becomes first Indian to get nominated for Fed Cup Heart Award. So even other nominees are there. So better you remember Sania Mirza alone. Legendary footballer Mr. Chuni Goswami passes away at 82. So he was the captain of gold medal winning Indian football team of Jakarta ASEAN held in 1962. He was awarded Arjuna, Padma Shri and several other prestigious awards for his outstanding contributions in the field of sports. Freedom fighter Sri Hema Bharali passes away at 101. Assam-born freedom fighter and Padma Shri Hema Bharali passed away. She is also a social worker, Sarvodaya leader and Gandhian, known for her contributions for the empowerment of women. Assam capital Dispur, and who is CM Sarbananda Sonowal. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. Do subscribe to TP Chennai YouTube channel. We will meet tomorrow.